Hello everyone, a big welcome to all of you. In this video, we'll cover part 3 of the month of February, Banking and Financial Awareness section. This will be a continuous monthly MCQ series. I have uploaded part 1 and part 2 in the playlist section, and also the January month series that is also uploaded in the playlist section of my channel. You can check that out. This will be a regular series for SBI Junior Associate, SBI Probationary Officers, IBPS Mains Exam, RRB Mains Exam, RBI Grade B Prelims, RBI Assistant Mains Examination. So, we will cover banking and financial awareness section of each month in 4 parts. Each part will have around 10 plus MCQs, and for each month we'll cover around 50 plus questions in MCQ format. Weightage of banking and financial awareness section in banking mains exam. So in IBPS mains, SBI mains, RRB mains, RBI assistant mains, around 15 plus question appear from this section out of 40. In RBI grade B prelim section, around 25 plus question appear from this section. Before covering MCQs, I will give you a brief background of banking sector mergers and bank headquarters. So talking about the mergers, Oriental Bank of Commerce and Union Bank of India are merged into Punjab National Bank. Syndicate merged into Canara Bank. Allahabad Bank merged into Indian Bank. Dena and Vijaya Bank merged into Bank of Baroda. Now let's talk about the bank headquarters. What is the shortcut trick to remember bank headquarters? So this is a shortcut method. If any bank name contains Bank of India in its name, its headquarters is in Mumbai. Like Bank of India, Central Bank of India, Industrial Development Bank of India, State Bank of India, Reserve Bank of India, Union Bank of India. So they contain Bank of India in their name. So their headquarters is in Mumbai. So it's a shortcut trick. If bank name starts with Indian, their headquarters is in Chennai. For example, Indian Bank, Indian Overseas Bank. If bank name starts with Punjab, their headquarters is in New Delhi, like Punjab National Bank, Punjab and Sindh Bank. If bank name starts with United, their headquarters is in Kolkata, like United Bank of India. So let's start with our MCQ series with a question. Question is, Federal Bank Limited launch Fed First, a special savings account. Who will be benefited through this initiative? So from Fed First account, children will be benefited. You can see in the picture, this is the Fed First account, savings account. As you can see, there are children in this picture, and Federal Bank has launched Fed First for children. Next question. Dash collaborated with IOCL, Indian Oil Corporation, to provide interest-free loans up to rupees 2 crore to Indian oil dealers. That is Punjab National Bank. Tagline of Punjab National Bank is a name you can bank upon, and they have collaborated with IOCL. IOCL, Punjab National Bank, interest-free loan up to 2 crores Indian oil dealers. PNB IOCL. Central Bank of Dash repaid $400 million currency swap to Reserve Bank of India. So RBI has paid $400 million to Central Bank of Sri Lanka, and Central Bank of Sri Lanka in turn has repaid this amount to RBI. Currency swap agreement. Next question. Exim Bank provided financial assistance of Dash of 400 million to Dash for construction of 6.7 kilometer connectivity project. Exim Bank, Maldives, Exim Bank, financial assistance of 400 million. Next question. Dash launched Bima Jyoti insurance plan that offers guaranteed addition at the rate of 5% at the end of each policy year. That is LIC, Life Insurance Corporation of India. LIC launched Bima Jyoti. Next question. RBI purchased Dash of government securities under OMO, open market operation, to ease liquidity conditions in money market. That is 20,000 करोड़. देखो, ये है गवर्नमेंट ने दिया RBI को सिक्योरिटी. यह है गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया. गवर्नमेंट ने RBI को एक कागज दिया. सिक्योरिटी मतलब कागज. RBI ने गवर्नमेंट से कागज खरीदा और इन टर्न 20,000 करोड़ दिया. जब RBI ने 20,000 करोड़ गवर्नमेंट को दिया तो RBI ने लिक्विडिटी मार्केट में पुश की टू इनेबल ग्रोथ ऑफ इकोनॉमी. सिक्योरिटी का मतलब कागज होता है. जैसे मैं आसान भाषा में आपको बता रहा हूँ. हम पोस्ट ऑफिस में जाते हैं, नेशनल सेविंग सर्टिफिकेट लेते हैं. पोस्ट ऑफिस वाले अपने को कागज देते हैं नेशनल सेविंग सर्टिफिकेट का, और इन टर्न हम जो भी है 20,000 40,000 हम पोस्ट ऑफिस में देते हैं. उससे क्या होता है, हमारे 20,000 40,000 जो है वो गवर्नमेंट के पास जाता है थ्रू पोस्ट ऑफिस, और पोस्ट ऑफिस उसके बदले में हमको एक कागज़ देता है. वो एक सर्टिफिकेट होता है. तो सिक्योरिटीज भी एक सर्टिफिकेट होता है. तो गवर्नमेंट ने वो सर्टिफिकेट RBI को दिया और RBI ने 20,000 गवर्नमेंट को दिए. अब गवर्नमेंट वो पैसों से अपने जो ग्रोथ इनिशिएटिव्स है इकोनॉमी को बूस्ट करने के लिए वो अंडरटेक कर सकती है. और ये सब हुआ है ओपन मार्केट ऑपरेशन के जरिए. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, which insurance provider has launched new goal based savings product, that is GIFT. GIFT का फुल फॉर्म है guaranteed income for tomorrow. So that is ICICI Prudential Life Insurance. पिक्चर में देख सकते हो ये इमेज में, guaranteed income for tomorrow GIFT initiative, that is by ICICI Prudential Life Insurance. Next question, theme of RBI's Financial Literacy Week that was from February 8 to 12 क्या थी? Theme was credit discipline and credit from formal institutions. The theme of RBI's Financial Literacy Week was credit discipline and credit from formal institutions. That was from February 8 to February 12. Next question, which bank launched Namma Chennai Smart Card with Chennai Corporation? And that was by Chennai, ICICI Bank. Namma Chennai Smart Card City, ICICI Bank. As you can see in the picture, this is the picture of this card. So this is it. This was part 3 of the month of February. We'll meet in the next section with part 4. All the other videos I have uploaded in the playlist section. January month is also uploaded. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you are new on the channel, hit the subscribe button. Thanks.